How to disable BuddyPress friendship notification settings. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to disable BuddyPress friendship notification settings. By default, BuddyPress does not offer this feature, but we can achieve it with only few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp.custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Please copy a snippet from our GitHub page. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file. And then save it. Now friendship notifications is disabled. Members no longer can receive notifications once a friend request from other members. Now friendship notifications is disabled. Members no longer can